Alright guys, well the first one I'm going to go over real quick is just show you the 66 Buick Riviera AMT kit. I believe this came in 2002. So yeah, pretty cool kit. I really like this body style, always have. Even though it's been opened, everything's still in the bag, which is pretty cool. Not really much decals with this one. So yeah, so I'm pretty stoked to have this one. I've been wanting this one for a long time. I actually do own a 77 Olds 442, which the 85 was kind of considered the last of the 442s, even though even 77 was kind of it's not technically a 442, it was more of appearance and a performance package. So get this kit if you can. I mean, there's multiple wheels. It's a beautiful kit. I've already been in here and taken a look at it, and yeah, it's a nice kit. All right, then we got this one. I'm really excited to build. Love this one, and it's the Owens Corning 427 Corvette. Here's those wheels I was talking about. Just normal Corvette body. But check out the decals; they're pretty cool. Now, unfortunately, this was stuck to the instruction sheet, and when I took it off, it ripped it. So I'm hoping I can, maybe come in here with a little bit of paint, or maybe I actually probably will just stick another decal on there to kind of cover that up. But yeah, oh well, kind of sucks. But yeah, I'm excited to put this one together because I've always loved this style. So this is the one I gotta say I'm a little disappointed in. I knew that the motor was gonna be kind of, iffy. I don't know why they call this level 4 kit, because it's really basic. I do like the rims. And actually you can drop a motor in here if you want, but it seems to be more of a snap together kit that they kind of made into a regular kit. But you'll see here that everything's pretty basic. You got the top half of the motor, but what threw me is the tires. They don't even have regular tires. It's plastic. You put them together. So yeah, I was a little shocked on that one. So I'm still gonna put it together. I've loved these year Camaros. When I got the military, I actually had a 81 Camaro Z28, and what's really cool is, see this scoop right here, this air induction. What happens is when you stop, there's little plates back here, and they'll kick open, and it allows more fresh air into the carburetor. And did it improve performance? The throttle, hard to say, maybe, but it sure was cool. And yeah, I drove this. Mine was actually kind of primered and not the best condition, and I drove it all the way from Louisiana up here to Washington without any problems at all in October. So, so it does hold kind of a special part in my life. Wish I had kept it, like a lot of them I've owned, but now I've got the model. So, and completely unopened. See, this will be the first time this box has ever been opened. So let's go ahead and tear this off, because here at Model Restorations, I build models. Alright, that was stupid. So, you can, the box is a little messed up, but so this one comes with a couple versions. You can do the version shown in the box. You can do a drag version or stock. So like I said, this is the very first time I have opened this. I have no idea what's inside. I've never had this kit. And check that out. It's brown. Wow, I did not expect that. Not with the yellow on the... So it's a pretty detailed kit. Looks like it's got a lot of little parts. The exhaust is unfortunately part of the bottom. Not a big deal. couple different choices for rims. You got these are actually pretty cool. I like this. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's kind of flat right there instead of your normal Kragars. And then of course just your chrome steelies. Pretty cool. Let's check out subscribe to the blueprinter. Developed exclusively for the model kit builder. Pretty cool. And oh yeah, these are nice. I like these decals, and they're in excellent condition. I think these are going to work just fine. Nice slicks. And then the Destructions Bel Air hardtop. And then it just has a little description. So it originally sold for $2,611. I think I am actually going to build this one like the box. I really like that look to it. I am hoping though, okay, I was wondering that. So it looks like I will have to sand off the trim on here to get that look. So, not a big deal. But yeah, so that's it, guys. Just wanted to show those to you, and wishing everybody some happy modeling. And I'm Jerry. I'm signing off, and I will talk to you guys soon.